In this video, I'm going to show you how to create Stickman animations in Canva completely for free. So first, go ahead and open Canva and create a new design. You can choose any size you want, but for this example, I'm going to create a landscape design. Once your project is open, head over to the left-hand side and click on Elements. Now in the drop-down, choose Graphics. Now click on the search box and type a description of the Stickman animation you want to create. For example, I'm going to type Stickman chopping a tree. After typing your prompt, and then press Enter. Canva will now generate different Stickman-style graphics based on your search. Scroll through the results and choose the image you like the most. Drag the image onto your canvas and resize it if needed. Once you're happy with the image, click on Share in the top right corner and select Download. Choose PNG as the file type and download the image to your computer. After downloading it, delete the image from your Canva project. Now upload the downloaded image back into Canva by clicking Uploads and selecting the PNG file you just saved. Once the image has been uploaded, drag it back onto your canvas. Now click on the image and select Edit. Under the AI Tools section, click on Image to Video. Choose Custom if available. In the prompt box, describe the movement you want your Stickman to perform. For example, you can type something like Stickman chopping a tree with realistic movement and smooth animation. After entering the prompt, click Generate. Canva will now use AI to convert your Stickman image into a short animated video. This process may take a few moments, depending on the complexity of the animation. Once the animation is ready, preview it to make sure everything looks the way you want. You can resize and reposition the animated clip so it fits perfectly on your canvas. If needed, you can add backgrounds, text, sound effects, or additional animations to make your project even better. When you're finished, click on Share and then Download. This time, select MP4 video as the file type and click Download. Canva will export your Stickman animation as a video file that you can upload to YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or any other platform. And that's how you create Stickman animations in Canva quickly and completely for free. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more Canva tips and tutorials.